Here's the main entrance and reception area. The office, reception area to the left, and then there's the liquor store, and then on the left is the shop. Lots of tables and chairs, seating area. And then the heated pool on this side, and that's the non-heated pool. Also some more chairs and tables, couple of lounges. Good morning, Saturday morning. What a beautiful morning. I must admit it's probably 9 o'clock or close to 10 o'clock. I got up at 2 o'clock to get some Milky Way shots, then got back into bed, tried to have a bit of a rest before I got up at 5 again to go and do sunrise on the beach. And again red sky, but not as red as it was before during the week. But yeah, it looks like a stunning morning. Just going for a walk and just looking over the camp in general. Lots of people around. There's Russell and Tanya. They joined and they're my neighbours for the weekend. There I am down there. Good morning, Sunday morning. A lot of thunder last night, and with not that big a storm, but yeah, quite a big storm. And from that, I don't know if it's hit some electricity out, but just checking across the valley there's or across the river, that house there's got lights on, but there's no electricity in the campsite. So no idea what's happening, and I just checked, there's no load shedding today, or not supposed to be. To sleep anyway, so good morning. Russell eventually woke up because he's got to boil some water for us for coffee.